Italian? In Italian, Kiara, say disponible.
Say disponible.
Ikaw itong si Kiara, guys. Hello, vlog! We are here again,
We are
Kiara.
here again.
English versus Italian, si Daddy Marco. Okay, let's go, guys. Andiamo.
Are you hungry?
In Italian,
Hai fame?
I fame, guys.
Are you funny?
Are you excited? In Italian,
Sei emozionato?
say emozionato, guys. Or say emozionata. Are
you available?
In Italian,
Sei disponibile?
say disponibile. In Italian, Kiara, say disponibile.
Say disponible.
Ikaw itong si Kiara, guys.
It's actually my dad.
Ah, yes. Your daddy is Italian and Noi, we are English.
English.
Are you interested?
Are you interested?
In Italian, we're going to ask Daddy Marco what is in Italian. Are you interested?
Yes.
Sei interessato?
Say
Or
interesato or say
interessata.
yes, correct, guys. Are you nervous? In Italian,
Sei nervoso?
say nervoso or say say nervo.
say nervosa.
Very good. Say nervoso or say nervosa? Like
The
that,
girl
guys.
is say nervosa
And
and the
the
boy
boy
is say
Nervoso.
nervoso.
Yes, yes. Kiara, are you serious? Kiara, what is are you serious in Italian word?
3, 2, 1.
Are you okay in Italian word? Huh, Kiara?
3, 2, 1.
Hello,
Hello,
vlog.
vlog.
Good morning. Good morning.
vlog.
Buongiorno.
Buongiorno.
Buongiorno, guys. Hello, hello, hello.
Vlog man.
Good morning, day vlog. Good morning, vlog. Kiara, look at Kiara. She's having her snacks right now. But we can still ask Kiara in Italian word, okay? Let's go, guys. Let's go, let's go. Andiamo.
Yeah.
Andiamo. Okay, guys. Now we are going to ask Kiara. Are you okay? Kiara will translate it in Italian words. Okay, Kiara. What is in Italian? Are you okay? Translate it in Italian. Wait, so guys. Are you okay? What is are you okay in Italian word? Huh, Kiara?
3, 2, 1.
Are you okay?
Sto bene.
Stai bene, guys. Stai bene. Are you there? Okay, Kiara, what is are you there in Italian word? Are you there?
No naman.
Yeah. What is are you there in Italian word?
3, 2, 1.
Just say.
Yes, chisei, guys. Chisei.
Just say.
Are you mad? What is are you mad in Italian word, Kiara?
Say are you beata or are you beato?
Dili kalitok si Kiara, no, guys. Si Arabiato or si Arabiata? Are you serious? Kiara, what is are you serious in Italian word?
3, 2, 1.
Kiara is still eating. Say
say
I think Kiara, she forgot, guys. Are you serious? Say serio or seria? Say
Say
serio or seria?
serio or cesaria.
Okay, that's all for today, guys.
Yeah,
Bye
no,
bye.
I think there's more.
Yeah, there's more. Bye bye sa later na po.
Bye bye.
Bye guys. See you next see you next time.
See you next vlog.